The actual wound. It's gone mentally now. My boo-boo's mentally at this point. I need some Band-Aids. How are ya? Don't laugh at me. Laugh with me. We need Band-Aids. That lady was laughing at me. So not cool. She works here. She's supposed to help me. I'm looking for the transgender bathroom. Oh, there's children. Don't want to scare them, little fuckers. I need a Band-Aid. Hello? Looking for a Band-Aid for my baby. Fuck, you recording me? Again? She's the lady that laughed at me. I know, I was just messing with you. Alright, we need Band-Aids, seriously. Babe! Hello, am I